Hi, today I'm for the Redmi Note 11 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the application and in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, open the application and tap to yes, I agree, pick close, click to OK on the left hand corner, and here we can see information about battery temperature. In my case, that's 31 and 2 degrees. Also, you can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.